Hi, Professor Hankinson here, and I just wanted to do a quick video to tell you a couple of things. One thing I want to tell you is I was just reading through your discussion posts regarding whether the framers should be celebrated, and I just want to say that the quality of the posts is just exceptional. They're a pleasure to read. I felt your ideas were really well developed, and so I really appreciate the time that you're taking with the discussions. I think that I find them to be very worthwhile to read, and I'm sure that your fellow students feel the same way as well. I'll be grading those today and tomorrow, and you should be getting some personal feedback on those soon. The other thing I wanted to talk about was the CIA paper that you're going to be writing. I've gotten a couple of questions about the citizenship and action paper, and there might be a little confusion um, about the different assignments that are embedded within the topics. So I just wanted to go over that with you. So let me switch to my screen so that I can show you the desktop. Okay, there we go. All right, so here is our Canvas site. And you'll see here that if you click on assignments, okay, so let's click on assignments. In assignments, you'll see that you have, among other things, you have some written work to do this semester. And so you have two citizenship and action papers. You have a frontline paper that you're going to be writing and a simulated letter to Congress paper as well. And so, and it looks like there is a political socialization extra credit assignment too. And so I'll take a look at that. And we'll talk about that later. But anyways, that your first written assignment is due March 5th, 16th. And I will make another video for that assignment as well. But since I was getting questions about the citizenship and action paper, I just wanted to address those right now. So your first citizenship and action paper is due April 6th. And I think what's caused some confusion is that you're already beginning to see, or you see the assignments for the different paper options embedded in our Canvas site. And so, right now we're entering topic 3. And so, in topic 1, there was an assignment about how you can interview somebody who has served in the military. For the topic that we're entering into now, you can investigate cooperative federalism, or you can watch this documentary called A More Perfect Union. And those specific paper assignments are, you click on those in your topics and you can see exactly what you're supposed to do for the paper. The question that I've got is that, are you supposed to do all of the papers, right? Like, or can you do extra papers for extra credit? And that's not the way that it works. For the first paper, you can choose any one of these topics, topic 1 through 7. And you choose one of those as options and you write a paper on it. And then you turn it in anytime before or on April 6th. Now, the only caveat I want you to keep in mind is that right now we are getting through topic 3. So really you could write your paper on any one of these topics 1 through 3. However, if you're going to choose topic 7, which is analyze and create presidential cartoons, don't write that paper yet. You're going to have to wait until later on, because I want you to wait until we actually cover topic 7, the presidency, and then you can use what you are learning in that topic to apply it. That doesn't mean that you have to write your topic 3 paper now, right? If you choose topic 3, you can wait and turn it in and write it later on in the semester, and as long as you turn it in by April 6th. Okay. And so those are the options you have. There are separate options for paper 2 of the citizenship and action paper. So let me bring that up here. And so we'll click on that. And so you'll see that for your second paper, you can choose from these topics: visit a courtroom, analyze trends in public opinion, compare and contrast magazine articles, compare and contrast presidential campaign ads. You select one of those and then you turn that in whenever this is due, which is due May 4th. Okay. And then the assignment itself is, like when you look in assignments, it tells you what the purpose of the citizenship and action papers are, and it gives you some instructions and it tells you how the paper will be evaluated. But they will mostly be evaluated by, following the components that are outlined in the paper topic that you select. Okay. So now just to finish this out, that when you get back, whoops a daisy, when you get back to our homepage, so there it is, wait for it. um, you'll see that as you're going through the different topics, like, hey, you have the topic one, and so the CIA paper, and then so you can click on that, and it tells you what the assignment is. And you're like, hey, that looks interesting. I think I'll write my paper on that. And if you're like, I think I'm gonna wait, I'm a little bit more interested in watching that video that's associated with topic 3. Where is it? Watch a more perfect union. Then you can write your paper on there. And it actually looks like there's only one paper option for federalism. It looks like the paper option, I had considered writing that, having a top 2 options, but it looks like there's only one. So I'll make that change in assignments as well. Sorry for that confusion. But that's basically how the paper assignment works. And so I hope that was clear. If you have any questions, we still have some time to work it out because the paper isn't due until April 6th. But I just wanted to do the shortish video so that you can have a better understanding of that paper assignment, particularly since you're seeing those options, appear in each of the topics. Okay. Thanks a lot. Again, thanks for all your hard work this semester. It's making my job a pleasure because it's really nice to read, and I learn a lot from your discussion topics and posts. So be well, stay warm, and I will talk to you again soon.